How you guys doing? Welcome back to Bubbles Adventures. Today what we're going to do is some more unboxing. We got some more Funko Pops. I don't know how many's in that one. I'm assuming maybe 4 or 5. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure this one's only got 2 in it. But we'll see what we got going on. And Whatnot is coming along. It's almost there for us to start doing the auctions and that. And that'll probably be like Tuesday nights I'll be doing that. But anyways, if you're new here, share, subscribe, give a thumbs up, and all the other good stuff. Shut the store. So eliminate some of the light. So let's get this open and see what we got. Yeah.
Get over there.
Okay, so we actually got 3 boxes. Let's do the small one first. I had another box that came. Here, let me turn the light on. There. Better. Yeah, this one's probably only got 2. Alright, let's see what we got. This one's got 2. Oh, I know what this one is. This one's a nice one. Venomized Thor Special Edition. Yeah, this one's nice. And we got this one. This one I don't remember. Wasp. Okay, I was looking at this one too today, so it's a good thing I didn't get that one. This one I think was a giveaway that I got. 2 marbles. I think it's 2 for 1 is what it is. And I get 1 marble. This one's from Funko. WW Pop Culture. All this tape, man, there's gotta be a lot in here. Ooh. Guess we do have a lot. Let's see here. Yeah, and they have protectors, good. So I know they're not going to be damaged. This should be a mixed box. Dang, man. On tape. Alright, this one's from Black Adam. Of course, they put my name on everything. It's inside. Nice and easy. Good thing they're in boxes.
You broke the Funko.
Yeah, didn't break the Funkos. But this one's another special limited edition from Black Adam. Make sure, nope, no damage. Back in the protector. They must have had a lot of orders to fill that day because they put my name on everything. Which is why I have to... As they take 2 boxes together, there's 2 in each box must be. I make sure I don't drop this one because this one is expensive one. This is from One Piece. Which I got. I think I got like 4 different One Pieces now. There we go. Yeah, this is AAA exclusive. He's got his little hawk, red hawk right there. I got all these. I just don't have him. Okay. I'm gonna have to pause this for a minute so I take this box apart because there's two different layers here. I just flipped it around and let's open the bottom. Probably be easier. I'm trying to open that. Open that up. Let's see, it's in this one. Once it opens upside down. What do we got here? Okay. We went out looking at stores today, and I told my wife I had this one, and this is why. Because here it is. I knew it was coming. Wonder why they stuck those in protectors and not these. They could probably because those are worth more money. Should I show them my name? What they call me?
Fucko.
Old fart.
Yeah, you're no fart.
This is the one that.
I saw that.
Yeah, I have that one upstairs already. And there's the paperwork for all that. Here it is. No, it's not. This is not it. What is going on? Thought this was the special one, but it's not. I wonder what's going on here. I'll have to call them up and find out. This is not the one I ordered. This is supposed to be a chase. This is not the one I ordered. Let's call them up. Find out what's going on. Okay, so those, this is this section, and that is the other ones. Alright, so another big box. This is from our favorite people. Let's see what we got here. What? There's only supposed to be 4 in here, but I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's what it is. They're a little giveaway they gave candy to. That's what that is. They sent candy again. My wife likes that stuff.
Thank you.
Can't be nothing in here. No, they just sent these for extra padding. I can use those to send out. Ooh. Yep. They just sent those for extra padding. Okay, I was right about how many we got, but just wow. So this place, when they pack it, they pack really good. They always do. A lot of bubble wrap, which I'll reuse. Yeah. More Demon Slayer. Remember this one? Pink haired girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in protective pop. Or protective cover. They're packing paper wrap. They try to do everything they can to make sure these don't get damaged. Because we get so much from this company. So we want to make sure everything's good. As I stab myself in the face. And if anybody here is interested, just go on Facebook Marketplace to what is it, Bubbles Toy Chest, and you can buy any one of these pops. Or if you're looking for anything in particular, just let me know. I most likely already have it, or I can get a hold of it for you. Come on. There we go. This one is that Hello Kitty Naruto combo. Hello Kitty made a bunch of with different characters for Naruto. I have the black one with this. I have this one here right now, so now we got that one to the collection. So these will all be for sale. Just let me know if there's anything particular that you guys are looking for. This one my wife might want keep. That's why I got this one. Her other ones upstairs. She can either keep this one or the one that she got earlier.
Keeping them both.
Maleficent. She said she's keeping them both. Keeping them both.
Yes,
We gotta make money back on them.
Don't start
forget.
with me.
She'll keep them. She knows she
You'll lose.
I like these ones they tape together. Let's see. I'm not exactly the gracious person to be cutting these open, but it works. This one I think is one of the Dragon Ball Z ones I was looking for. Yep, it is. Yeah, this one's a glow-in-the-dark one, yep. Glow-in-the-dark Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black. An exclusive. This I think was like for like $40. And here's one everybody's been asking me about. But I'm pretty sure this one might be already sold. Let's see if this is what he wants. Leatherface. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This one is 2022. That's cool. So there it is. There's everything. We got everything going here. Oops. Of course, she gets to clean up the mess.
Bullshit.
All right, guys. She didn't clean up my mess. She just walked away. All right. Thanks for joining. And catch y'all next time. And trust me, we do have more coming. So, and we have more that we just bought more from another store, which I'll do those soon. Show you what we picked up from another local store. All right. Thanks for joining, guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Don't forget, share, subscribe. If you haven't done so already, give it a thumbs up, and catch y'all next time.